What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a banger video. Super excited to bring it out to y'all. Y'all to the whiteboard. We getting ready to go there right now. This is how I made 100K this month. Just copy me. Look, I'm gonna break it down to you guys real quick, real fast. I'm gonna do this in 10 minutes, okay? I'm gonna show you how to make 100K this month. I'm gonna show you how I made 100K this month, and you can just copy me. Now, you may need a little bit of money, you may need some other things, but this isn't clickbait. This is the facts of it, okay? First thing you're gonna do is leads. Leads. I invested in leads, okay? Leads, like real estate leads. I invested in real estate leads. I pay employees to go out and get leads for me. They cold call, they send letters, they do all these things, okay? Those leads is the number one step we take. First we get the lead. Then we go off and we go and look at the property. Okay? Let's say we like the property. After the lead, we look at the property, then we buy the property. Okay? The last lead we got on the property, they sold it to us for $100,000, okay? It was 100K. We'll put 100K right here. 100K. That's how much the property they sold it to us for. The property was probably worth 200K, okay? So this is just one property. We did a few properties this month to make the 100K. But go ahead. To move on. So we got lead generation going. That cost us maybe around, I don't know, for the month, it probably cost us around $10,000 maybe in a month of lead generation to get this deal, okay? So once I got the deal, I looked at the property, I bought the property for 100K. Then I said, okay, am I gonna wholesale this property? Is it worth wholesaling or is it worth flipping? What do I do on my next step to 100K in a month? Well, this property is worth like 200K after it gets all fixed up. And we probably only got to put 20 in it maybe or so. Or I could wholesale it and buy it for 100 and sell it for 120 probably. But it looks like it's going to be more money in flipping it. So that's what we did. We flipped the property. We got it from leads. We flipped the property. Took us 30 days to do it. 30 days to fix it, flip it. And we sold it. We sold it for 200K and we probably put 20K in it. So we're 120 all in and we sold it for 200. $200K. That made us 80K. That was 80K of it. That was one flip this month that we did. That made 80K for us, okay? And probably really closer to 70 because we had some closing costs and stuff in there, okay? So about 70K in that flip. And then we had more leads come in, okay? Later in the month, we have more leads come in. This is a wholesale deal that we have come. We went and looked at the property. We did the same step. We went and looked at the property. We bought the property. This property was for $50,000. This property was for $50,000. And we didn't take it to be a good flip property. So we we wholesaled the property for $75,000. That made us $25,000. Plus down here we had what, 70 plus 25. It put us at 95. We made $95,000 that month. Okay, this was the process. We had leads come in. We went and looked at property. We bought the property, and then we flipped the property. It took us about 30 days to flip it.